Hello and welcome to this Nutrition Maker training session. Today we're going to show you how to access your client overview page. The client overview page gives you a quick snapshot of your client's progress and current programs, including meal plans and tests. If you're not a current customer, we hope this training tutorial will help you become more proficient and efficient in your use of your software. If you're just checking out Nutrition Maker, remember we offer a free 2-week trial. There's a link down below. Also, it's free and there's no obligation and no credit card required. If you do opt to sign up for the subscription, there is also a coupon code down below for 10% off either monthly or annual. So let's get right to it. In this tutorial, we will show you how to access a client's overview page as well as other areas that you may wish to access. From the main screen, choose your client, choose the Open button, and this will pull up a screen called the Overview screen. Here you can have a history of your messages, the goals that you've assigned to your client, upcoming activities, questionnaires, both completed and incomplete. You can review their tests, such as body weight and body fat, and you can look at their nutritional information, such as current weight, target weight, ideal weight, and current meal plan. You can also put in notes that may pertain to the client, and you can assign client type. In the very bottom, you can also manage the client in terms of automated emails and notifications. This screen is very handy for quick overviews of your client's activities. However, if you want to get into details, you can come over here and access demographics, upload photos, assign questionnaires, enter documents, assign goals, request payments, send messages to your client, as well as access their calendar, view tests, nutrition, and create reports. Be aware that you can access questionnaires, for instance, at the left menu, or if you're on the overview, you can also click the questionnaires link and it will take you directly to that area. Thanks for watching. If you've got value out of this training tutorial, give us a thumbs up. We'd certainly appreciate it. And if you want to be kept in the loop for future training videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks a lot for joining us, and we'll see you next time.